In today's video, I'll show you how to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping quickly and easily. Before you begin, make sure you already have accounts on both CJ Dropshipping and eBay. Once that's done, log in to your CJ Dropshipping account. From the dashboard, go to the authorization section and choose eBay. This step allows CJ Dropshipping to connect directly with your eBay store. Next, add your eBay account by signing in with your eBay email and password. Once authorized, CJ Dropshipping will be synced with your eBay store, allowing products and inventory to transfer smoothly. Now it's time to find products. Browse the CJ Marketplace to look for items that fit your niche. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can submit a sourcing request and CJ will help locate the product for you. When you find a product you want to sell, add it to My Products in your CJ account. From there, edit the product details, update the title, description, and pricing to better match your eBay strategy. You'll also want to set your shipping options and add relevant tags. Make sure to upload clear, high-quality images or videos, since visuals play a huge role in attracting buyers. Once everything looks good, simply click List to publish the product to your eBay store. Your item will now be live and ready for customers to purchase. That's it. You've successfully listed products on eBay using CJ Dropshipping. Thanks for watching and happy selling.